Today we're going to show how to uninstall Tenable Nessus on Ubuntu using command line, or rather bash, and also where to find the uninstall documentation, and this is in Tenable Vulnerability Management. So to get started, in the top right hand corner there's the question mark here. I'm going to click the search, and what I found the easiest thing to do instead of using the search at this point is to go to the resource links, click on Tenable Documentation, click on Product Documentation, Other Products, Tenable Agent. Once here, scroll down to the help file. HTML version works really good for me. I'm going to click on install. You say, well, but we're uninstalling. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to get to this menu, and then I can choose remove agent. And so immediately it shows Windows, but we're doing Ubuntu. So if you scroll down, you see uninstall a Tenable agent on Linux. This is what we're going to use. Ubuntu is a Debian version, so just like Kali Linux is also. I'm going to expand it, and so this is going to be our command. Now we have the command, but before we can uninstall, we need to do something. We need to unlink the agent. This is very important. But I'm going to go back just a step because I want to show you something. Because first of all, you need to know where is the agent located, because we need to run this command to unlink it. So let's go back to the product documentation. I'm going to go back to Tenable agent here. And actually, once in the HTML guide, I'm going to click on agent CLI commands. What I like here is it gives you the location of the Tenable Nessus files. So in order to unlink this, I'm going to go to the VM itself. Now you could do this remotely, or you could put this together in the script. So just take the commands that I'm giving you, put them together in the script, and essentially you could automate this process remotely. So let's bring over the Ubuntu VM. All right, so here's the Linux VM. And so we're going to go to the bottom left-hand corner. We're going to click terminal. And so we're going to go to the ops. So we're just going to type cd /opt, and I'll tab that out. Do ls to look around. There's Nessus agent right there. I'm going to cd to Nessus _agent. I'm going to look in here, and so I have several files. I believe it's sbin. I'm going to check it, and there's the Nessus CLI /nessuscli, and I'm going to do agent, and I'm going to just type anything. Okay, so permission denied. That's probably why I didn't tab out. So that's kind of my way of just testing it. And I'm going to type sudo. Okay, it's going to ask for the password. Okay, cool. So that's good. Now that I have this information, that lets me know that this is working. And so what we want to do is we need to unlink this from the console. So when we linked it yesterday, we did all of this. We just need to do agent unlink, and we should see this in Tenable. So I want you to see every aspect of this. So let's go back to our Tenable console. I'm going to go to the sensors on the left side. You can click the menu button here, click sensors. I have 8 sensors. And so if I successfully unlink this, then that means I will have 7, right? So let's do it. Agent unlink. So it says unlinking, restart it, just making sure that's visible. Agent successfully unlinked. If I go back to Tenable now, if I refresh, so the agent is now unlinked from Tenable. Now let's move on to actually uninstalling it. As you remember before, we have the command, but let's go back. Let's check our documentation. So we have the CLI, so we issued that. Now we can go back to the product documentation, and I'm going the long way on purpose just to kind of reinforce where it's located, here and here. Okay, there it is. And we have the install for Tenable Linux, but we're going to go to the left side menu, choose uninstall, and then we come down to Linux, and then there's our dpackage command. So the thing is, can we run this command anywhere in the console? Let's see. So dpackage -r Nessus agent. Okay, it doesn't say we need to specify a version or anything. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to go to my CLI. I'm going to clear this just to get some of the noise off of the screen. I'm going to paste this command. All right, so you can see it requires super user privileges, which means we need to issue a sudo command. All right, so it says that was successful. So if I type ls, now you notice I'm in the sbin folder. There's no Nessus CLI there anymore. Do ls-al. There's nothing in this folder. Going to go back up a level. Now it didn't get rid of the Nessus agent folder, did it? Nope, that's still there, but there's nothing in it. But for this, you've successfully uninstalled Nessus, Tenable Nessus on Linux Ubuntu. Once again, take these commands, chain those together, and you have a complete uninstall script. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.